Storage space in a kitchen is so precious, especially in a smaller kitchen. So these magnetic spice racks just help create storage in spots of your kitchen that were maybe otherwise unutilized. It takes that wasted space and it makes it useful. And they look really nice too because they're all matte black metal. And even though these are spice racks, you could definitely use them for so many different things. Personally, I was very excited when I thought of putting a little plant on one of them. So if you're a plant person, you could even use it that way. But overall, they're really pretty and functional, which is really just a no-brainer to me. So you get 4 of them ranging from small to large, and each one has a really big, strong magnet that covers the entire back. And there are actually 2 hooks on each side, so 16 hooks overall for even more storage so that you can hang up anything that you need. And I really love that there's no installation required, so it is super easy. You just put them in place. You can move them anytime without needing to drill any holes. You have shelves without having to drill or install anything. It couldn't be simpler, so I have really been loving these.